Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss practical tips to boost your push-up game. But before we dive into the details, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to support health aware and raising health awareness. Proper form. Avoid common mistakes such as neglecting to brace your core, letting your elbows flare out, or positioning your hands too narrowly. To execute push-ups correctly, position your hands a bit wider than shoulder width, engage your core and glutes, and maintain a straight line from head to heels. As you bend your elbows, lower your chest toward the ground. This ensures optimal engagement of target muscles. Lose body fat. Reducing body fat not only benefits overall health, but it also enhances push-up performance. As body weight decreases, the challenge of push-up diminishes. Lower body fat translates to less resistance during the exercise, making each repetition more manageable. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable in activities like push-ups, where you lift a percentage of your body weight. A study found that on average, you push up about 64% of your body weight during push-ups. Therefore, shedding excess body fat significantly impacts your ability to perform more push-ups with greater ease. It's a practical strategy for anyone looking to enhance their push-up capabilities. Progress through variations. Exploring variations like kneeling and incline push-ups offers a strategic approach for beginners and gradual progressive seekers. These adaptations effectively reduce the percentage of your body weight you must lift, providing a more accessible starting point. During kneeling push-ups, the load decreases to about 49% of your body weight, offering a gentler introduction. Similarly, elevated or incline push-ups can further lower the resistance to 41% or even less. This gradual reduction in weight makes these variations suitable stepping stones, allowing individuals to build strength and confidence before advancing to standard push-ups. Incorporating these modifications smartly contributes to a steady push-up journey, catering to different fitness levels with a practical approach. Advanced variations. Elevating the feet increases the resistance, targeting the muscles more intensely and contributing to improved maximal pressing strength. This deliberate progression not only adds difficulty but also serves as a strategic method to make regular push-ups more manageable in the long run. According to research, elevating your feet just 2 feet off the ground can escalate the resistance from 64 to 74%, emphasizing the potency of this approach. Use resistant bands. These bands provide an overload effect, requiring more effort from your muscles during the push-up movement. While specific studies on band-resistant push-ups may be limited, the principles drawn from bench pressing and resistant bands suggest enhanced strength gains. Beyond the added difficulty, resistance bands improve the strength curve of the movement, adding sticking points and ensuring a consistent challenge throughout the entire range. This strategic use of resistance bands not only elevates the difficulty of push-ups, but also contributes significantly to the overall effectiveness of your upper body workout. Work your core. Solid core strength is indispensable for maintaining stability during push-ups. Elevate your push-up game by integrating core stabilization exercises such as planks and ab wheel rollouts into your routine. These exercises specifically target and strengthen the muscles that play a pivotal role in stabilizing your body during push-ups. Planks engage the entire core, including the abdominal muscles, while ab wheel rollouts provide a dynamic challenge, emphasizing the importance of a sturdy core foundation. By fortifying your core, you not only enhance your push-up performance, but also contribute to overall functional strength and resilience. Make core strengthening a priority to optimize your push-up potential and ensure a well-rounded fitness regime. Progressive overload. Embrace the principles of progressive overload to propel your push-up gains. Incrementally intensify your workouts by incorporating strategies like adding weight or targeting higher rep ranges. This deliberate progression serves as a catalyst for muscle growth and strength development. For instance, after achieving 4 sets of 10 push-ups, aim for 4 sets of 11 or explore 5 sets of 10 to continually challenge your muscles. This goal is to systematically increase the stimulus of your muscles, fostering their adaptation and enhancing overall strength. Whether through added weight or increased reps, applying progressive overload not only optimizes your push-up performance, but also cultivates a path towards sustained improvement and robust muscular development. Train with weights. While push-ups are body weight centric, incorporating weighted exercises provides a complementary avenue for development. Bench presses, in particular, target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, reinforcing the muscle groups essential for potent push-ups. The synergy between body weight and weighted training enhances overall upper body strength, translating to improved push-up performance. By diversifying your workout routine, you not only address specific muscle groups but also foster a comprehensive foundation for enhanced strength. Blend body weight and weighted exercises for a well-rounded strategy, optimizing your potential for mastering the push-up and achieving enduring upper body prowess. Prioritize push-ups. For those aiming to excel in push-ups, avoid regulating them to the end when fatigue sets in. Initiate your workout with push-ups to optimize performance, leveraging optimal energy levels and focus. On the flip side, if push-ups serve as a secondary goal, incorporate them later in your routine. This strategic sequencing ensures that push-ups receive the attention they deserve, whether as a primary or supplementary objective. By emphasizing push-ups early in your session, you capitalize on peak strength and concentration, sponsoring a conducive environment for skill refinement and overall improvement in push-up capabilities. Consistency is key. Consistency emerges as the linchpin for enduring progress in your push-up journey. Adhering steadfastly to your workout plan is paramount, as sustained efforts over time yields tangible results. Stay committed, recognizing that significant improvement in push-up performance requires patience and dedication. Allow yourself the time needed to adapt for adaptation and growth. Consistency isn't about immediate transformation, but about steady, incremental progression. With this, we conclude the video. Check out our channel for more interesting videos for your health. Remember, our goal is to raise health awareness as much as possible, and you can help us do so by supporting us with your engagement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share those you love to help them live a healthy life. This is Health Aware, and we hope we have helped you today in becoming more health aware.